Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our project Starry, your daily astrology and tarot companion. What inspired Starry? Our idea from Starry was inspired by growing interest in astrology and tarot among people from diverse backgrounds, particularly our peers. We noticed that many individuals turn to these tools for guidance in our lives. Whether it's to find directions, analyze relationships, or manage emotions, our app is designed to provide support through astrology and tarot, combining these two popular spiritual practices into one seamless experience. So why stories stand out? Stories stand out because goes beyond basic astrology and tarot apps. Here's why we believe it's worth pursuing. First, our personal profile feature allows users to explore their natal charts, including sun, moon, ascendants, houses, and aspects. It helps users to gain deeper insights into themselves and their life paths. And for the compatibility feature, it analyzes relationships, offering detailed sanitary insights and warnings for potential challenges. Our tarot functionality includes different spreads to address real life issues. Users receive AI driven interpretation for their readings. Unlike existing apps like Cece, Starry integrates an AI chatbot using ChatGPT AI. This feature allows users to ask unlimited questions, receive personalized insight, and even have supportive conversation for emotional well-being. And for the market potentials, because of post-pandemic, there's a growing demand for spiritual and emotional tools, especially from Generation Z. Story meets these needs while staying innovative. Story combines features that no single app currently offers all of them. Even premium one needs subscriptions. Especially for our tarot features, the unlimited questions can ask for AI chatbot is, I think in the future only for subscription members use. One of the significant challenges we faced during the development of our compatibility feature is formatting the AI. It requires a recurring issue. Our requests often return errors due to incorrect formatting. We had to try several APIs and repeatedly redesign our pages every time. Each API switch requires us to rework and retest the functionality since some APIs didn't provide the result we needed for the sanitary analysis. This iterative process was time consuming, but allowed our team to become much faster and more efficient at implementing and testing new pages and related code. We also encounter challenges while designing the user's profile feature, particularly with integrating Firebase. After extensive debugging, we conclude that the issue likely oriented from API server-side implementation, so we're highlighting the limits of what we could control. For our tarot feature, we encountered two significant hurdles. Our first was creating a seamless and immersive UI. We wanted users to see both cards and the AI-generated responses simultaneously while keeping the interface clean and intuitive. However, our solution was to divide the screen into two sections, a card zone on the top and the dialog zone below. Even though the cards appeared smaller, users could click on any cards to view in full size. The second issue was inconsistent AI responses. Sometimes the AI reply format caused errors in the chatbot message bubbles. To fix that, we modified the prompts sent to the GPT model, adding some symbols as separators to make the response more organized and easier to process. Lastly, while developing the sign up and sign in pages, we had to design a robust database to store user information, which later became essential for features like profile and compatibility analysis. And it was a complex task because the projects was divided to different team members. We had to ensure all functionality are seamlessly integrated. In the end, despite the technical difficulties, we still successfully connect all the database to key features for our smooth user experience. Through these challenges, we learned the importance of collaboration, adaptability, and persistency in delivering functional and cohesive applications.
And this is our thread design diagram.
Now we'll demonstrate stories feature, including profiles setup.
When you open the app, you can either sign up or log in. Let's do sign up first. Here you need to enter your email. Say, for example, you go next, and then here you need to enter your password that is at least 6 characters long. And then you'll click next. Here you need to select your birth date. So here you can choose the year of your birthday, saying, for example, this one. Okay, and then select a birth time, for example, this one. And then select a birthplace, for example, Texas, and then you go next. Okay, so now you're entering the home page. The home page will give you the daily horoscope data based on your input birth date when you sign up. So here it provides you some information for like love, health, finance, career, and global, and a tip of the day. You can also view your weekly horoscope features or monthly horoscope features or yearly horoscope features. All of this can be tapped and see in detail. Next, we'll go to the synastry feature. So this feature allows you to find out the compatibility score for you and your partners, up to 3 partners. And for example, you click on the left button, you need to enter your name and your date of birth. For example, and then you click save. And then next you click the right button, you need to enter your partner's name and then your partner's date of birth. The first partner is mandatory and the rest of the 2 partners are optional, so depend on your choice. I will enter 2 partners for this demo. And then you click save, and then you can view the result by clicking the view match result. Here you can see a table of the match result, and it will also display to you that who is the most compatible partner for you based on the highest score evaluated. The settings feature, you can change your birth date and your birth time here. For example, if I want to change my birthday to say 2005, and then this one, okay, and then you click the checkbox, it will be saved and updated. And then if you go back to the home page, you can also see that the daily horoscope icon is also changed, and the birthday, birth time, and birthday also gets changed. And here as well, the icon also changed. The next feature is the ChatGPT feature. So in each page, no matter it's home page or synastry page or tarot's page, it will have a envelope button on the right side. When you click here, you can ask any question to the GPT. For example, if you say hi, and then it will respond you to your queries. This feature is the tarot feature, where you can find it in here. So you have many options you can choose to play. Let's choose the forecast spread that will reveal the core issues, strategies, obstacles for the problem you have occurred. When you click play, it will enter the screen that looks like this. You can ask any question in here. So for example, I can ask like, can I do well on my exam? And then you click send. It will ask you that you can start to click on get cards to play. Here is your cards, and the fortune teller will give you some description of what each card mean, and then you can read through them. You can also tap on the card. You can tap on the card, and then the information about this card will be also shown in here. You can see other cards as well. And now you can ask any further questions about your queries to the fortune teller, and he will give you responses. Okay.
This is our user profile page. These are the users' information and users' astrology's input according to their birth data. Below, the chart section shows the user's astrological chart with signs and corresponding houses. Each placement includes key influences, explaining how the sign and house affect the user's life. At the bottom, the view chart button allows users to visualize the astrological influence graphically.
contribution. Our team have originally 5 members, although one of them, Lucia, stepped back midway, didn't participate in the further process, so only 4 of us contribute in the coding part. Me, Zhengying Sun, I designed the sign up, sign in, and sign out pages, managed the Firebase database, ensure our key users' data was accessible, and I lead most of the presentation recording. I also set the API's UI and color scheme. Alice, she created the Tarot feature and homepage, including the AI chatbot and Tarot spreads. She implemented most of the project's initial and the final code clean. Linda, she designed the compatibility feature, assisted with the API testing, and contributed to the homepage. She collaborated with Kay to debug the profile section. Kay, she developed the profile feature, designed the layout, and ensured user data from Firebase integrate seamlessly into the chart. Lucia, she initially designed our app's logo and participated in designing our UI. Everyone also participated in video recording and diagram creation. So we've learned so much through this project, both positively and negatively. The first thing we know, we need to start early, because sometimes start early the exam makes everything harder, especially during the busy semester. And communication is the key. Sharing issue early, whether project related or personal, it helps the team adjust and support each other. So we're using the agile method to do the development and managing branches properly. It saves us from the major crisis. It's a good luck for us. None of our group members ever crashed the master branch, and I really appreciate everyone who participated in coding. Every group members are very strict to their coding task. And for the user, we thinking from the user's perspective to let the multiple UI iterations. For example, adding a simple back button can also greatly improve our usability. And also, we leveraging team strengths. We know from it and learn from it. We can notice different people's advantages and assign them different tasks based on the individual skills to ensure the fair contribution and high quality work during this process. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We are proud of Starry and hope you enjoy learning about it as much as we enjoy creating it.